Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add AI ChatGPT widget to Redmi 12. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store and then in the top search find app called Wally GPT. It's this app right here that we want to install. When it's ready, click on the open. Then move to the next step. There's introduction, you can read through it, I'm gonna skip it. And the next thing is to open the permissions and allow this app to display over the other apps. So we're gonna select that and allow it. Now select the start button and here you will find this icon floating around your screen. You can click on it to pop open a chat, ask anything, click anywhere on the screen, or actually we need to click on the arrow or perform the back gesture to close it like that. And to remove this floating widget, simply move it to the bottom of the screen and it will be gone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.